Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Wishing you all a very happy Valentine's Day, Gemini. I hope you are celebrating this Valentine's Day with your friends and family, guys, and especially your loved ones. So, these cards are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Gemini. So let's see what are the cards, Gemini. We have Eight of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Cups, and King of Pentacles. So in your situation, Gemini, something which you love, something which you are really passionate about. It may be a creative beginning, it may be a creative endeavor, whatever it is, a path, something like singing, drawing, painting, some creative art you may be interested in. So you are taking it up as your career. It may be your second career path, something which interests you, something which you are really passionate about, guys, Gemini. And maybe for some of you, it may be a new person coming here on this special day uh, to propose to you, guys. So, this person you never expected. So, they are having a huge crush on you, and they are here to propose to you. And there are many people seeing you as someone they can propose or someone they are interested in. They want to know you, and they want to have your friendship. So there are people eyeing you, guys, Gemini. So you are quite, what to say, someone like a celebrity in your situation. Maybe it may be because of your position in life. Maybe you are a well known person in your circle, in your social circle, and people are greatly attracted to your beauty and your charm. So you are really happy how things are going, and maybe someone is coming to propose to you. They have been watching you for quite some time, they are interested in you, and this person is coming to propose to you, guys. They have a huge crush on you and they are here to propose to you. And maybe in your career, whatever path you have chosen for yourself, you are having that dedication and devotion, and you are progressing in a positive way in your career, guys. And whatever you do, you are tasting success. That is what I see with these cards, Gemini. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Five of Swords. So with this card, maybe in your relationship, you may um, what to say, you are thinking of some things within you. You may have some feelings, but this person you love, they may not be aware of what you feel, or they are not understanding you. Maybe you are proposing to them and they are not accepting your proposal, or they are proposing to you and you are not accepting their proposal. So you are not concerned of their true feelings towards you, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see with this card, Gemini. Let's see what is the card for your career. We have Four of Cups again. So again we have that you are not aware of what is coming in your career situation, guys. So you have lots of opportunities, offers coming towards you in your career, but you are not aware because you are concerned about something in your heart, you are thinking about something, you are worried about something, so you are not aware of your present situation, guys. Gemini, so you need to be really open, guys, open mentally and open physically to be really attentive today, Gemini. So there are lots of love offers and lot of career offers, but you need to be really attentive to grab those opportunities today, guys, Gemini. So that is the reading, guys. I have a Valentine's Day special pick a card love reading coming up. If you are interested, you can watch that reading, Gemini. For your pick a card love reading, guys, I have two cards. Today is Valentine's special. So each card comes with a special guidance for you, what you need to do today, guys. So you can close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading will resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, guys. So let's start after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So what do we have here? We have breathe. This is your card for today, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So this card comes with a special guidance, and that guidance is to have patience today, wait and take everything slowly. So this is a time patience is called for in everything, guys. So you need not hurry, you need not be hasty about any decision or about anything. Heart needs time to open, take a breath, and let nature take its own course. So you need to wait. You need to give up all that worries and stress, whatever you have in your situation, release all that tension you have, and just enjoy this present moment. Waiting won't prove difficult, guys. In your heart of hearts, you will know what is right, but your ego will not know, will resist that learning. So you have to be really patient. That is what this card calls for. Just breathe and just be. And patience is going to pay off in more meaningful ways than ever, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So if you are rushing to make some important decisions, this may not be the time for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. We have aqua or a quartz. That is your card for today. So this card just means that connecting to that infinite potential that we have in ourselves and knowing the purpose of our life. So we meet so many people, but in our life we often find our soulmate somehow, and we land up together in unexpected ways, guys. So friends and family or people we like, we meet in the most unexpected places and in an unexpected way, and love makes itself known just as you are beginning to doubt whether it is really there for you, guys. So this crystal spirit, it comes with a special message, guys. You need to be childlike with that wonder and believe in magic. If you do that, if you believe in magic and believe in the power of love, no matter how dark your situation is, love will find you for sure, guys, and you are not forgotten. So, love is everywhere, and even in the darkest hour, it is right there, right in front of you. So, you just need to let it find you. That is what is the necessary thing, guys. So, that is the reading, guys. So, this person you love, or a friend or a family whom you are missing, is going to come towards you this Valentine's Day, guys. That is what I see with this card, with this crystal spirit. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.